Today's recipe is apple stuffed chicken. The ingredients are 1 6-ounce package of chicken flavored stuffing mix, 1 whole fryer, about 3.5 pounds, a half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 cup chopped peeled apple, 1/4 cup chopped celery, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup raisins, and 1/2 teaspoon grated lemon peel. For the glaze, you'll need 1/2 cup apple jelly, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Rather than cooking the stuffing on the stove, follow the rest of the package directions. Add the butter and warm water. Sprinkle the inside of the chicken with the salt and pepper and rub the outside with the oil. Now add the apple, celery, nuts and raisins, and the lemon peel to the dressing mix. Lightly stuff the chicken. Place the chicken breast side up on a rack in a shallow roasting pan and bake uncovered for the 350 degrees for 1 hour. You can put the extra stuffing into a small casserole dish, cover it with foil, and then during the last half hour of baking the chicken, then you can add your casserole dish and have extra stuffing on the side. In the meantime, in a saucepan, you combine the glaze ingredients and simmer for 3 minutes. At the 1 hour mark, you take the chicken out and cover it with the glaze. Put the chicken back in the oven. Now add your dressing and bake another 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken juices run clear.